Okay, guys, we are testing the
Fora 6.
Fora 6 Connect
That's Bluetooth.
blood glucose meter. What can it do? It can test your blood sugar levels,
It has ketones,
ketones,
and also
cholesterol.
cholesterol and other things, but you need to buy the test strips for them. The
When
test strips are a bit pricey. I think I tried to check up on the cholesterol one, 10 strips for I think 400 or 500 rand, something like that.
so when you buy this kit, what does it include?
It's just it includes the Lancet pen,
The module,
some 10 test strips. I had to already buy another 50 already. I think
10
that
test
costed
strips.
me. Yeah, these are what, 50 or 20 only? I'm not sure. 50 test strips for like 200 or 300 rand again. Straight off the bought the machine for 600 or 700 rand. So that's near 1,000 rand already. And it came with the no, it wasn't these ones. It came with 10 lancets.
Lancets.
Yes.
And how much are the lancets if you buy?
Lancets, I think if you buy like 20 or something, it's like 100, 150 or 50 for 200 or 300 rand, something like that.
Okay, so we're going to test this out.
Yeah, so these are the strips. Okay, this is the one I took out before, but I'll take another one anyway. Okay, BG for blood glucose.
Okay, let me see. BG for blood glucose.
Okay, so all you do is you insert it on top here.
Okay,
This is the chip side.
Okay, that's the chip side.
It's coming on.
Wait, let's check this out. Checking.
Okay, it's ready to take on.
You see the blood
reading.
blinking there? It shows that it's a blood glucose strip.
Okay, I'm gonna clean my thumb. Okay, let it dry. Give it a rub. Get it warm. Blood's gonna move. I leave this on the 3rd.
Okay, this is the Lancet pen.
Lancet pen from Fora. It's already preloaded with the Lancet
The
pen.
Lancet over there.
Brand new
So you just
Lancet.
insert it
Always into a new Lancet as soon as I'm done.
and then you throw it away.
Yes.
Okay, so that's just the level of how deep the poke should be.
Yes, I prefer the level 3 from the last one. Okay. I'm going to pull it back. Now it's loaded. It has an orange dot. My thumb is dry and I'm giving it a good rub. Okay, near the top of the thumb there. Just press it on there and release. Ow! That was a sharp one. Should be more blood on this one. There we go. The blood just pops out. Okay. Taking the reading now. Just put it on top of the blood and it will soak it up. There we go.
Check this out. And this is after you ate dinner.
Yes. 5.5.
5.5 after you even ate dinner, so
Yes.
your blood sugar level is perfect.
It's a little bit high. No, it's a little bit high. It's supposed to be like 3 or 4, something like that.
It's because after you ate
Yes,
the
I
dinner,
just had some Powerade and stuff, so yeah.
so it's best to test it in the morning on an empty stomach.
Yes, it's called a fasting test.
Fasting test to test your blood sugar levels. So yeah, guys, so you can see this the Fora device. And yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Thanks for watching our testing video. Thanks guys for watching.